What do you got there?
1972 Jeepster.
Cute little guy.
So we checked all the fluids. They should run. So we're gonna see if it cranks over. I think it is. So of course we gotta have more projects. We have 2 Ford Model A's. Got the Taco. It's the best one here. We got the mini truck. Okay. That's one of the best. We got the 4Runner, and of course, now we gotta be like, hey, another project, you know? Yes, we do need to get the shop clean. It's hard, because it's hard. Well, hold up. Pause. Gents, you don't know what you're talking about. It's not that hard. You just gotta put in a little bit of work, and you have a clean garage. So, gents, you don't know what you're talking about. All right. You can play the video. I just had to get that over with because that was a couple months ago, and I don't know. The garage is clean now, so we're gonna get going on some projects now. So back to the video. What are we doing?
Well, that project we're talking about, it's gonna get going.
So with this motor, all the wiring, from what I'm seeing, it's just doing circles around the carb and everything. Which we got this radiator pretty much out. Just need to get the transcooler lines. Got the heater hose off. You got the wiring. We're just about done with that. And we gotta do steering column, brakes, then body mount. Then shoot them off. So yeah, this rocker isn't as bad, but it should get in there. You can see all the way to about there. So now we can finish getting these body bolts off now that we don't have an exhaust. I kind of want to start up and hear that now. Hear that? 304 per.
Didn't you cut the wires?
Yeah, we cut some wires. It would run.
See that nice cross member?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Any luck with your body mounts bolts?
Cut the exhaust off.
I see that.
I dropped it on my toe.
What's up?
Hey guys.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hey guys.
He's seen the wings.
What?
That's alright. They're all,
Well,
no bueno. This is gonna come off.
that's just a problem for us later down the road when we want to put this body back on. So, this is not good. All right, listen, baby. So I think, because I'm guessing it has a nut welded up in here, it just threads into. I think the weld's broke, so just spin around there. Oh, there's that. Some stuff unfolded. Oh, look at that one.
smoking up there.
Hey, buddy. Is that it?
I don't know what we're doing at this point. We're just taking stuff off. We got all the body mounts cut out.
I don't want to pay you no money. I don't know how much your ticket's gonna cost, but you're gonna have to pay for that.
Hey Bennett, what's going on? Yeah, they were like all gone.
He has a ticket that he didn't pay because he had mud flaps on his.
Okay. Let's go. Let's start going up.
Now he has a warrant.
It happens, you know. Just to,
If he doesn't have it done before the 14th, he can't drive indefinitely.
So stupid. All from a fix-it ticket.
okay.
That's because you didn't do your
I think.
DUI.
Don't quote me on this, but I think we're ready to start taking this up.
Send it.
You gotta be very careful
Oh, that's cool.
that this front clip comes up with it too.
I'm gonna push the button.
That's with all the hoops and everything for.
I'll push the button. Back on back to make sure it's clear.
Something does not look clear right there.
Cage, 6-point cage is actually
No balls in the back.
25.
We're gonna have to give it some more up pressure.
So that's actually 83 bucks.
How much is it?
There it goes.
Slow. We got the steering column still.
Dude, that's how tall it
It's
should
actually coming apart. Where's the hammer?
be. That's how tall it should be right there. Here, pan out real quick. Like,
The single.
A little bit more. I like that. The fender is hitting the drive shaft, or the steering shaft. It's gonna push faster in just a second. Right there. You're past it. Where the emergency brake, what's the emergency brake hooked on?
That is how.
That's how you do it, buddy, that's how you do it.
You just have to think. You gotta be one width apart.
What's going on?
This roll bar pulled out of here.
might fall through the floor.
top was kind of holding it together.
It's this guy right here. That's the problem.
No, it's all a problem.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want to see more super cool content, go check out our channel because you will be able to see the monster of an engine we are putting in this and more updates on this beautiful project. Here we got a little fancy exhaust off.